Okay, so I have my friend Ryan on this walkie-talkie here.
Let's see if you can catch it over.
Okay, I'm recording.
You outside?
We have this noise that we just can't.
Are you
really,
outside?
Yeah, I'm outside. We have this noise that we can't really identify.
Okay.
My friend
Start
found
heading
it.
down to the gate because that's where he is.
My cousin found it, and we just don't like the noise of it. And he found it, he looked at it, and I think we discovered something new as 9/11.
You almost there?
Yeah, I'm out here.
Good.
Yeah. I heard it! Oh God! Oh no! 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 No!